Welcome to my channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are fine. So today's trick is very important, very interesting. You may be worried about your laptop speed. So today I am going to share a very interesting fact with you that will make your speed at least 5 times more than now. Okay, so let's start it. First of all, you need to go here, tap here to search, and you need to write run. Okay, you will write run and you will open this application run. The first method is like this, and second you can also do using Windows plus R. Okay, Windows plus R, it will also open the run. Then what you need to do, you need to write here percentage temp percentage. Okay, percentage temp percentage. When you will be clicking it, and you will see a folder will be open. So basically this is a folder that's creating some temporary files that's having pressure on your RAM or your memory. So what you need to do, you need to select all the files using Ctrl plus A. So using Ctrl plus A, you selected all the file. Then you need to delete those files. Okay, so you need to delete using shift plus delete button. Okay, you need to press and hold shift and then press delete. It will tell, are you sure you want to permanently delete? Then you need to click yes. So when you will be clicking yes, you will be getting some messages. You may skip them because some of them files they are not going to delete, so no issue, but mostly it will be deleted. Okay, so you can do this for all item, and you need to do the skip. Okay, okay, so when you will be completing it, you will see your laptop will be more faster than usual. So let's try it and then comment me and tell me is it working or not. I hope it will be very useful for you. So subscribe to my channel and like the video and keep watching. Thank you so much.